Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to formulate a vegan lipstick using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. So first, log in to the makeup tier and select the lipstick formulation build. Then click Create. The first thing I'm going to do is select the oils that I want in my lipstick. So I'm going to select Borage and Camellia because they're nice and nourishing for the lips. Next, I'm going to select my consistency factors, and this just helps build the stick of the lipstick. And I'm going to select the carnauba wax and the hydrogenated vegetable oil, so I'm steering clear of any animal products. Next, I'm going to pick my mica and colorants. And I'm going to pick some zinc oxide so I have some opacity so I can get a really good coverage from the lipstick. And some plain mica. This also helps build the structure to the lipstick. Next, I'm going to select my effects pigments. And because I want a real red lipstick, but I do want some shimmer to it, I'm going to pick a red mica, which has some shimmer present. I want a lot of colour from this product, so I'm going to input that at 5%. Next, I'm going to select my antioxidant. I'm not going to add any flavour to this product, so now I click on Generate Method, and here is my formula, and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make this amazing red vegan lipstick using the Create Cosmetic Formulas makeup program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to Create Cosmetic Formulas makeup so you can get creating your own makeup products and lipsticks. Happy formulating!